This video is going to demonstrate how to make histograms in SPSS. So at this point, you've probably made some other graphs in SPSS, such as a pie chart or a bar graph, but now we're going to use a similar process to make a histogram. We're going to go to Graphs and Legacy Dialogs and go down to a histogram, which is all the way at the bottom of this menu. We're going to look at the variable siblings, which is sibs. And that variable indicates how many siblings the respondent has. So we're going to choose the variable sibs and click the arrow that will place that variable in the variable space, like that. And that's all you need to do, and just paste your syntax and go down to this icon, make sure you open up your syntax, and we can run our syntax from the syntax window. Make sure you paste it so you have a record. And you can write yourself notes in here too, remember. So we've been making some other graphs. Now we're going to do this histogram. Okay, and when SPSS creates a histogram, it's a little bit off in terms of the scale of the graph, so I'm going to show you how to fix that. Go to the Edit by opening the chart editor. And we'll go to Edit, and we're going to select the x-axis. And we're going to change the minimum value to 0 because nobody can have -10 siblings, but you can have 0 siblings. And it does go all the way to 40, but that's really, really high. We're going to make that 35 because there are a couple of people with 30 some odd siblings in this data set. Okay. And once you've done that, you've changed the 40 to 35, and you've changed the -10 to a 0. Then you can click apply, and that will adjust the graph. So now it's a little bit easier to read this histogram. So we can also apply data labels. You can see there's a few people down here. I'm going to close out this window. And the histogram provides you with frequencies, not percentages. So a histogram is providing you with frequencies, not percentages, which is the norm. Most of the time, histograms show you frequencies. But we can answer the following questions. What number of respondents have 0 siblings? And you can see here it's 145. What number of respondents have one sibling? And it's 560. So you can create a histogram pretty easily, and it's pretty easy to read in SPSS.